Statistics show that approximately 70% of today's leads, however good or bad, will purchase something, not necessarily from you, but in the next 2 years' time. So it's really important to have a process for those lead nurtures. Well, I'm Julian Poulter, MD of LAMP-360, a software company that I've been working with and founding for the last 2 years. And my background is 25 years in sales and marketing. I've run a number of businesses and helped a lot of startups, and this is the culmination of what I've been working for the last few years. LAMP the name came from, it's an acronym essentially for Lead Automated Marketing Process. How LAMP works, I think a simple way to explain it is the 3 C's. That's contacts, content and connect. And what I mean by that is contacts are the email addresses and our contacts in social media. Content is that attractive, engaging content in the form of white papers, ebooks, videos and so on. The connect is the human element where we interact and we actually build relationships with the leads that have been generated by LAMP. So the combination of those in an organised process will lead to the output of leads and eventually sales, and that's essentially how LAMP works. So it's content with contacts. Being contacted by your sales and marketing people equals leads. LAMP-360 is a software product, and it's a set of processes designed to be easy to use for a small business to help with generating leads and nurturing leads. So basically helping with sales and marketing efforts and to grow a business in a controlled and scalable way. In terms of the number of versions of LAMP, what we've tried to do there is keep it really simple, so there's one. Along with one version, there's a very simple pricing structure, which is a traditional one based on a per user model, and we see that as very attractive to SMEs. And I think whilst we're not trying to sell on being the cheapest at the moment, certainly we've got an attractive price point, and we've also got a sort of a Google type model, which is a pay per lead model, so there's no fixed costs and you only pay on the results that you obtain. LAMP is easy to use. We've made strenuous efforts to take out extra functionality that's not needed, that just gets in the way of marketing and sales guys' efforts. So we've really tried to create a process that is easy to follow, and in very simple terms we put in content, we put in contact data, and essentially out will pop leads. The payment options for LAMP are closely related to the pricing, which is we actually charge for credits. You buy and commit to a number of credits per month, let's say 100 credits per month, and a credit would be equal to £1 or $1, and those credits are used up against the number of users or the number of leads that you're generating. There is a trial version available. The sales process from our side is that we expect people to want to have a look at a demonstration, and they can book a one-to-one demonstration, they can turn up with a weekly webinar, or they can see a series of demonstrations on the website. Once they're happy with that, they can sign up for a trial, and there's a free 14-day trial. If they send 500 emails, we actually give them another 1,000 emails and extend the trial for another 14 days. So in essence, there's a 28-day trial, after which they then move on to one of the 2 payment plans. What sets us apart from the competition? It's the fact that LAMP is a process rather than a tool. Too many other products out there which do similar sort of things end up with hundreds of tools available to you, and the guy looking at that just thinks, what on earth do I do? Whereas LAMP, it's a simple process that guides you through the process of generating leads. It's one integrated product, so we do the whole thing from generating the leads, tracking it through the sales cycle, closing the business, and everything is in one product, so it keeps it simple. One set of subscription fees and license fees, one set of administrators, and so on and so forth. So it's one tool, covers the whole process, and it's a process out of the box, and I think those are really the key differentiators. Getting in touch, I think the main way is clearly through the website. Obviously on there's email and phone number contact, but there's registration forms there for the trial, booking onto demonstrations, and that's really the recommended place to go. There's lots of information on the website, obviously in terms of resources, best practice, how to do things, how to get started with LAMP, planning templates, and lots of other good tools there as well.